can always see the name. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. I know the channel has been low lately with the content. I was honestly on vacation and I just got back a couple days ago, so we are back and grinding. Planned on making videos while I was out there, but honestly I let time get the best of me. I was out there having fun and I honestly didn't want to just waste the whole vacation on recording videos, which I honestly do apologize about. But if you do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and slap a like on it. Comment down below what your favorite piece that's going to be dropping this week is. Subscribe to the channel if you would like more Supreme content or any other type of content. Let me know in the comments what videos you would like me to make, and without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So this upcoming week for Supreme, we are going to be seeing the Air Force Ones drop, which are so fire in my opinion. One thing that I do like about these Air Forces is that they're not making them super limited, so if you like them you can go ahead and buy them. I honestly do have a pair of Air Force Ones that I've been freaking a lot. I took them on vacation with me and I feel like you can't go wrong with Air Force Ones, and the fact that Supreme are going to be releasing their own pair with the little box logo on it, the different laces, definitely is a vibe to me. It's rumored that these are going to be restocking throughout the seasons, much like the Hanes tees. The retail on these is going to be like $96, which isn't even that bad. I feel like Air Force Ones retail at $90, so $6 more for a little box logo on it definitely isn't bad in my opinion, and I'm looking forward to buying these. This video is actually sponsored by Addict.io. If you guys are interested in buying these sneakers and having the highest possibility of actually securing the pair, I definitely would recommend you guys to check out Addict.io. They are the fastest and most reliable bot for iOS. A lot of people who followed my advice and bought the bot for week 1 managed to cook up a whole lot of stuff. There were a couple people who actually didn't know how to do it properly. If you guys do have some questions on how to set up the bot or how to run it, definitely go ahead and hit me up and I'll link you up with Addict.io. They actually recently opened up their Discord as well, so if you have any questions or any concerns, you can go ahead and join their Discord. Their Discord is actually like a cook group as well. They alert you whenever releases are coming, any updates they will have on their Discord as well. I honestly really do encourage you guys to check out this bot. They've had so much success when it comes to major drops, and this bot is actually used on 85 different stores, which is a lot, bro. You can use Kith, Palace, Supreme, obviously, Fear of God, Cause, a whole bunch of other stores as well. But if you guys are interested in checking out this bot, I would definitely go ahead and use my promo code, which is Astro or Astro10. I'm gonna put it right here for you guys in case you are interested. The price is $130, and with my discount I believe you will get 10% off. You can also pay for this bot in 4 different payments, so it would be $32 for 4 different payments. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and talk about the rest of the drop list. I typically tend to start from the bottom of the list with the dookie items, but for this video we're gonna start from the top of the list. Like I was saying before, we do have these Air Force Ones, which honestly I'm a fan of, and I'm gonna go for the white pair. Even though I have a white pair of Air Force Ones, I'm gonna get this updated white pair so I could beat my other white pair, and then I'm gonna get the black ones. I'm down with the black Air Force activity when it comes to these sneakers right here. I feel like they're not that bad, bro. People normally shit on black Air Force Ones, and I see it, bro. I know the white ones are the good ones, but the black ones, hey, they shouldn't go unnoticed. You feel me? So these are fire in my opinion. Next up, we do have the transparent lock, which is rumored to have a retail of $20 or $32. I honestly don't know which one it's gonna be. I do feel like this lock is super fire in my opinion. The clear lock vibe that it has going on is so cool to me. I don't know why, but I just feel like it's so sick. I do like the fact that this will probably come with the key, so you would be able to like unlock it and see the pins moving, which is pretty cool in my opinion. I like the fact that it has the box logo right dead and center on the front. It's pretty sick, and if the retail isn't too high, it's definitely a must cop for this week. Next up, we got the underlined crew neck. This is a crew neck that I actually am digging. I normally don't go for crew necks or things that don't have hoods because I love throwing on a hoodie, but this one is actually fire, bro. I do like the gray colorway with that red underlining. It's definitely clean. I feel like this is a piece that Supreme would have released back in 1994 when they first started. Some of these other colorways are fire as well. This pink one right here is such a vibe. I feel like the navy one is fire because it has the red. You can never go wrong with red on navy. The gray one, the navy one, and the pink ones are definitely my favorite thus far. And I would actually say go for this piece right here. I feel like retail is gonna be $138, not much over that, if anything. I feel like that definitely is the retail. It's not a bad piece at all, bro. I feel like those first three pieces that I mentioned so far, you can't go wrong with either one of those. Next up, we do have the Incense Burner. I feel like this piece right here isn't that bad. I do like it, but I don't know if I'm gonna go out the way to buy it. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is a piece that you would pay $12, maybe $20 for, but nothing over that. It wouldn't be worth it at that point. I normally don't even use incense. I normally just light a candle and call it a day, but this isn't that bad nonetheless. Next up, we do have the City Lights Puffy jacket. This one is fire, bro. I love the design on this. Definitely on that black colorway. I would say this is 100% a cop if it wasn't gonna be like $268 to $300. Right now, my price ain't looking that dandy. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just came back from vacation. My pockets are not that deep right now, so I might have to pass on this piece, unfortunately, but I am a huge fan of the jacket. Sadly enough, I won't be able to buy it, which is a bummer. I thought this would drop maybe week 3 or 4 where my pockets are more stable, but right now I'm gonna have to take the L on this jacket, but it is probably one of my favorite pieces releasing from the lookbook. Next up, we got the XXL hooded sweatshirt. This one's cool. It's nothing over the top. Once again, I do like that navy colorway, but I just feel like this is like one of those sweatshirts that is cut off right here and you just have a long sleeve under it. That's what this reminds me of right here. It's nothing over the top. I would have rather it say Supreme 1994 rather than XXL. I don't know why. I feel like that would have been way better in my opinion, but this isn't too bad. That's a pass for me though. Next up, we got the color blocked sweatpants. For me, I'm debating on getting these sweatpants right here because I feel like I would actually wear these a lot. Definitely in the all black colorway. That's all me right there. But honestly, you can't go wrong with any of these colors. I'm a huge fan of all three. Personally, I would go with the all black. We also do have the sweatshirt to match. The sweatshirt is a vibe in my opinion as well. I do like the all black one when it comes to this. I feel like it's one of those hoodies that I would wear pretty frequently considering the fact that it's all black and it just has a little hint of Supreme. That's mainly right up my alley, honestly. But the gray with the red color is definitely a vibe as well. I could see myself wearing that one. Next up, we do have the City Lights Rayon short sleeve. This shit is fire, bro. If you're going on vacation in the summer and you have this right here, you can't go wrong with it, bro. Like, this shit is so clean in my opinion. Honestly, I would rather have the puffy coat, but considering the fact that my pockets, y'all know the situation with my pockets right now, I might have to just bite the bullet and buy this one rather than the jacket, since I do want to get the Air Forces, which honestly really sucks, but it is what it is at this point. I'm a huge fan of this, and this piece right here might have resell. I feel like these rayon shirts low-key start creeping up once it starts getting hot outside because people are looking for some fire shirts, and these come up. Like, I feel like the City Lights one is a sleeper and people are gonna have to open their eyes when it comes to this one. Next up, we do have this field camp cap. I feel like this one is kind of ass in my opinion. That like weird ass tree camo is okay. The cream one is okay, but these are nothing special to be honest. Definitely a sleeper that I'm a sleep on. We have the underline 5 panel. This is another okay hat. I feel like if you're looking for a hat, these are decent. Nothing over the top. I definitely like the military camp caps from last week way better. But we got this canvas hooded work jacket. It's kind of ass, bro. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This one looks like a puffy, not puffy enough type work jacket. It says Supreme on one side, as the American flag patch on the other side. Nothing too special when it comes to this jacket right here. It does have the Supreme embroidered on the side, which is okay, but it's nothing over the top. We do have this drama mask fleece jacket. This is a jacket that I feel like would low-key have high ass resell. When it comes to Supreme and fleece jackets, they typically end up doing great. Like the wolf fleece jacket, there's been a couple fleeces that just skyrocket in resell value, and I feel like this one might have that effect. Once again, I do like the design on it. Definitely that black or the pink colorway are the ones that stand out to me. The pink one will be the one to have the highest resell. If people do like this jacket right here, hey, you just never know when it comes to Supreme nowadays. Resell is not what it used to be. But if there is resale this week, the fleece might be one of those sleeper items that you can go ahead and scoop. But we do have this spell out short sleeve top, which is kind of cheeks to me. The black one would be the better one. We have the 7s rugby. I feel like this is for the people who like the vintage shit, but this is actually not that bad. It gives me a nice 90s vibe. I like the way that the spell out is on the back. It says Supreme New York 7s, then it has like Japanese letters with the little flag on the side. The details on this piece right here are actually pretty clean, not gonna lie to you guys. But next up we have the faded stripe long sleeve top. Nothing special when it comes to this piece right here. Is like a gradient effect on this long sleeve. Not that bad. When it comes to this piece, I would definitely go for that purplish, the black, maybe the cream. But we do have this logo repeat beanie. This one is just another Supreme beanie, bro. When it comes to some of these pieces, it's just the same repetitive shit going on. I'm good on this piece, hands down. I feel like there's way better beanies. I recently bought the over dyed beanie, which I will do an unboxing for my week 1 pickups, but this doesn't even come to the heel of the over dyed beanie, so I'm gonna just leave that shit right there. And last up we got this throwaway hat. This is the intelligence hat. I don't know what this says. I'm gonna try to read it out for you guys real quick. Intelligence is the ability to adapt to change. How could I read that? That's how you know I used to use AIM a lot. I read that shit with no hesitation. This hat is ass, bro. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it nor be nice about it. This shit is ass. But that pretty much does it for this drop list. If you guys did enjoy, go ahead and slap that like on it down below. Comment what your favorite item for this week is. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And don't forget to check out Addict.io. By using promo code ASTRO or ASTRO10, you can get 10% off. They are a great way to go ahead and secure your Supreme items. All I'm gonna say is up your chances, get Addict. If not, go ahead and go manual. It is what it is. We're all gonna be out here trying to do it this Thursday, but I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.